Morning guys! May naisip ako guys, mag-experiment tayo. May mga lumang damit ako dito. Yan. Malalaki to malalaki. Yan mga lumang damit. Pero mga original yan. Mga original. Experiment natin guys. Subukan natin ibenta sa mga ibang lahi. Kung may bibili ba talaga. Benta natin, subukan natin. 5 real pataas kung may gustong bumili. Tara, let's go. I found one people. He wants to go join in the video. I have some experiment here, sir. What is your name, sir?
Mohammad Balighuddin.
Okay. You Pakistani, sir?
No, India.
India. Okay. I have some experiment here.
Okay.
I have some old clothes here.
Okay.
I selling 5 real
Okay.
up. The challenge, you will buy or no? This is original, 5 real. You choose if you want what you want here.
No, this is the used one or not?
Used one,
Used one.
yeah,
Okay.
old one. That's why 5 real up. The less is 5 real. That is my experiments. People wants to buy old T-shirt
For what?
for cost. Sometimes the money I get this one, I get some experiment again.
Okay.
Because I'm starting YouTube channel.
Okay.
But now I challenge you if you want to buy or no.
No, that's not that.
Huh? You buying one for 5 real or no buying?
No, I'm not interested to buy this.
You know to understand.
Because this is
Old.
the used old one.
That's why. That is the challenge. That is my
Okay.
challenge. Who wants to buy old T-shirt? Okay. Thank you. Sir Muhammad is don't like to buy because this is used one. Thank you for the video. I just trying to somebody ask who wants to buy old T-shirt.
Old T-shirt.
Yeah, old T-shirt for 5 real up. But this T-shirt is original. Yeah.
So you want to sell all this thing?
No, 5 real one each. No. That is not my challenge. This is old one, old T-shirt.
Okay.
I asking people who wants to buy old T-shirt for 5 real.
What do you want me to say?
You want to sell? You want to buy this T-shirt? Oh no.
I'll ask my roommate.
No. That is I asking you if you want to. This is my challenge.
Okay.
I selling old T-shirt.
Okay.
For example, this is old T-shirt, but this is one original, but this one old T-shirt.
Okay.
Use one already.
Okay.
Then I ask some people who wants to buy
So what
T-shirt.
should I say? Like
You want to buy or no? You sell or no? Like that. Or no? Yes or no?
no.
You don't like why?
No, I don't wear all these things. I wear simple T-shirts. You can see.
Because somebody people saying
No.
this is old one.
No. I wear simple T-shirt.
Okay, simple T-shirt. Okay. What is your name, sir?
Tarvinder Singh.
Tabirda Singh, Punjabi.
Punjab.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Ito, nakakita ko ng isang Pilipino dito malapit sa accommodation namin. Hello. Ano pangalan ni sir?
Hello, si Rene Colo.
Rene Colo. Kasi may challenge ako, sir. Kung sino yung gustong bumili ng old t-shirt for 5 real. But this one original. Kung sino yung gustong bumili ng
5 real.
yes, 5 real up. Kung sino yung gustong bumili. Yan, ba?
Na-extend.
Yan, si sir, tinitignan niya. Yan. Kasi nag-experiment.
Ibang kulay.
Marami dyan, sir.
Saan galing to?
May nagbigay sa akin, sir, pero experiment ko kasi yan, sir. Kung may gustong bumili ng old t-shirt. Yan. Tapos yung money, yung pera na makuha natin dyan, is experiment ulit natin. Yan, nagbe-blurred yung camera ko. Sarado natin yung ito. Baka hindi mag-blur. Yan. Yan. Tinitignan ni sir kung magugustuhan niya pa o hindi. Original yan, sir. Sinabi niya sa akin. Yan. Original yan. Yan. Mukhang tinitingnan, sir. Mukhang bibili ata si sir.
Hindi mo na rin kasi Nagpapakit sa road.
Oo,
Bigay ko
yan.
sa Pilipinas.
Pasalubong. Sa ibang lahi, medyo maarte sila eh. Tayo mga Pilipino, mahilig tayo sa ukay-ukay. Pero sinubukan ko na tanong sa mga ibang lahi, pero ano tayo, fail tayo. Fail. 4-5 real for cost. Yan lang. Ilalagay ko to sa ating YouTube channel. Ayan. Tatlo. Ayan, bumili si Sir. Tatlo. Pasalubong. Tapos yung pera na gagamit, na mapagbebenta natin, mag-experiment ulit tayo, mga guys. Ano yung gagawin natin sa video natin? Abangan nyo sa susunod. Yan. Binili ni Sir, 3 piraso. Yan. Binili ni Sir, 3 piraso. Yan. Gamitin natin yung pera sa tama. Yan. Abangan nyo sa mga susunod na vlog yung pera na napagbentahan natin ng t-shirt. Medyo sa ibang lahi mahirap magbenta. Pero tayo mga Pilipino kasi mahilig tayo sa ganito eh. Kaso challenge ko talaga sa ibang lahi eh. Pero talaga maarte sila eh. Pero ganun naman, nakapagbenta tayo guys. Nagustuhan ni Sir kasi original nga naman. Pero yung challenge ko, kung bibili siya ng lumang damit. Yan si Sir, wala pa kasi siyang barya. Tignan mo yung pera niya. Yan, malaki. Kaya, maya na lang daw pagka may barya na siya. Thank you, Sir. I have some people see this one. I have challenge. If you want to buy old t-shirt for 5 real,
Yeah.
you selling or no?
5 real.
Yeah, 5 real. What is your name?
My name is Indigo. Indigo Sama.
Nepali.
Silang.
Sri Lanka, yeah. I tried this Sri Lanka people. If you want to buy t-shirt for 5 real, yeah.
Good,
See, you selling or no?
Yeah.
5 real only.
I like.
Oh, you like? Okay.
I need-
Oh, you want more?
Yeah.
See, check. If you want more, take. Because some people already buy. That's why he already finished 3 t-shirt only. Yeah.
Good.
Yun.
I do buy 2.
Two. The Sir Sri Lanka is buying 2 t-shirt for 5 real, total 10 real. Yes. Thank you very much for video. Okay.
My friend, I do
Huh?
after I give money. Now no don't have money.
Okay. After giving money, no problem. Tell him, I will pay later.
I will pay later.
Okay. Thank you very much. Okay. 10 real, huh? Okay. Thank you. Okay. This is paying money. Thank you very much, saying.
Thank you.
Okay. Ito, nandito na tayo sa kwarto. Successful tayo guys na nabenta natin mga t-shirt. Hindi lang tayo nag-success sa ibang lahi. Yun talaga yung gusto natin sana. Kaso walang gustong bumili. Kasi luma. Ayun, may natira lang isa guys. Yan. Shoutout sa isang kabayan tsaka sa isang Sri Lanka. Pagpasensyaan nyo nga pala guys yung pag-i-English ko dyan. Nung nire-review ko, natatawa ako eh. Imbis na buy ang masabi ko guys. Sell, lagi ko na masabi. Wala naman tayo sa Dragon Balls, ewan ko ba. Tsaka yung camera ko guys, pagpasensyaan nyo rin, nag-blurred siya pagka nasisikatan ng araw. Yan. Follow and subscribe nyo na rin ako guys sa aking channel. And click nyo na rin yung notification bell para sa mga susunod na video, sa susunod na vlog, at saka yung pera na makukolect natin sa napagbentahan natin. Challenge ko yung sarili ko, gamitin natin sa susunod din pang video. Yan, gamitin natin sa tama ang perang ating napagbentahan. Salamat guys!